Assalamualaikum. Basically, this is my project Kopi Dunia. So, as a lecturer, we believe that, or I believe that, the student future is in our hand, and then we have responsibility more than a teaching. So, what is basically Kopi Dunia? Kopi Dunia arrive or basically come out from an idea when we look into this specific group we are targeting. This underprivileged student, we can see the self-esteem, the self-confidence is basically lower than the other group. However, as we realize that this special group is basically the light of hope of their family, where they can change their family destiny. So and then we can see that they are not in the state of being entrepreneur. How we come out with this problem? Basically, we have worked with them for few projects, and then we can see the participation rates of this group is quite low. Succession rate of their participation in entrepreneurship program is also quite low, and then the response from the beneficiary itself, where they are not aware or they are not exposed with the kinds of activities. So the solution is basically we want to provide one business model, one cafe, what we call as Kopi Dunia. And at the first stage, we will provide them training, and then later we want them to be an entrepreneur and replicate our business model. So the beneficiary, as I mentioned to you, this group we targeted ASNAF, B40 and OKU. So how to measure our success in future is basically based on the attitude of student. If we can see the changes in their attitude, and then the changes in their awareness on entrepreneurship potential, the involvement of their involvement in training, and the most important thing, how they want to become an entrepreneur after receiving a training, and how they want to replicate the business model. That is basically the measurement of the success. So what we offer other than our competitors, other than other parties, is basically we just not provide a training, but we provide a business model that can be replicated, and then we also will monitor and also do consultation to make sure they are survive in this industry. So this is our business model. So as I mentioned previously, at the first stage, this underprivileged student will work with us and also been trained with us, and then later in the second stage, we want them to operate as a franchisee or operator, and then these are our source of profit. So we will use marketing strategy to reach our customer by using social media, as we targeted most of our cafe will be operated in the university, and then but we will not left out the traditional promotions such as flyers, posters, and also monthly promotions such as super savers, depending on the some event, okay, based on the monthly promotion. So this is our competitor analysis. As I mentioned previously, as we plan to operate in the university setting, so basically we have identified that we have three competitors recently, which is Richiamo, He&Chi Coffee, and Nescafe. But these three is basically have low impact to the customer, as they did not focus on their social impact. So we are high in impact, and also we provide affordable price product compared to our competitors. So potential market size, we have a large potential market size, a very huge potential market size. Basically, we can open this in all public university in Malaysia, and also all higher education institutions such as polytechnic, college, vocational, etc., where there is this. And then this is our estimated revenue, but this estimated revenue is basically will depend on the populations of the university. So we expect 5,000 to 10,000 per month. So what currently our plan is, basically now we are looking for funding. After we get the enough funding, we will start with our operational planning, and we'll start to have a basic training to our this group, the target group. And then we will future will establish the business as soon as possible. So this is the team. I will lead the team, and then will be assisted with this member. So what currently we want to ask from you guys is, basically we want the approval from the university to proceed with this plan. and most importantly, we want you to fund the project. Why? Because this is very important in order to change the state of the this identified group. We cannot just left them to be the same current state. We need to change, and we have more responsibility, not just teaching but also to make sure they change not just their destiny but also their family. So that's all. Thank you.